Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Anu here. I hope all of you are safe and sound at home. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a little trick on how you can actually make your eyes look bigger and wide open. This kind of eye look is suitable for all eye types, especially on hooded eyes and if you have lesser lid space. If you want to know how I created that look, then keep on watching. Welcome to my no makeup face and not so fancy background. If you hear any background noises, please ignore. So yeah, I'll be doing this video without any makeup on because A, you'll be able to notice the difference very clearly if I have zero makeup on my face, and the other thing is I want you guys to understand that you can wear this look on a daily basis as well. If you're a person who has a habit of tight lining or doing your lower lash line, you can do this look on a daily basis as well. So I want you guys to see the difference and rock this look on a daily basis also. As I've already shown in this video, the products that you will require to do this look. In that, the main important thing is this brush. In this video, I'm going to use this brush, which is very precise, but then it is very dense. So if you're a beginner, make sure that your brush is not this dense, because you'll not be able to control the amount of product that you're putting in. Also, you will find it difficult to apply the product. So make sure your brush is not this dense, and you should have flat top. Alright, so basically your top should be flat and it should not be dense. Okay, so I'm just going to take the product. I'm directly going to poke the brush into the eyeshadow so that the tip of the brush will have more product. Okay, and I'm just going to swipe it a little bit so that both the sides will have equal amount of product. I'm just dabbing off the excess. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the product very close to my lash bed. If you guys are wondering what is a lash bed, the starting of your lashes, the place where your lashes actually begin, is called the lash bed. So I'm going to place it on my lash bed. I'm not applying it under my lash line, I'm just placing the product on top of my lash bed. What happens with this is it gives you an illusion of thicker and fuller lashes. I hope you can see the difference. So once this is done, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my kajal. In this step, you can actually use gel eyeliner, which is waterproof, so that it will not smudge to your lower lash line. The main aim in this look is to keep your lower lash line empty so that it gives you bigger and wide open eye. When you actually apply kajal to your lower lash line, it gives you a droopy finish and makes you look older. I mean, that is my personal opinion. If you guys like doing it, then you can go ahead and do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tightline my upper lash line. So lash line is the area where you can see the flush actually. This might look a little scary, but it's totally worth it. So this is the area where you can see the flush. So that is where I'm going to put this kajal. So there you can actually apply a gel eyeliner with the same brush. Alright, I'm going to tightline this. So when you tightline, what you gotta do is just look down. I'm not applying kajal to my lower lash line, guys. I'm not even touching the kajal there. So now that I'm done tightlining my upper lash line, I'm just going to go back. I'm going to go back to the first step that we did. I'm going to take some eyeshadow again, and I'm going to fill in any sparse areas which are left over under my lash line. Now that you're done tightlining your upper lash line, I'm gonna go curl my eyelashes. This is the very important step because it gives you that lift to your lashes. I'm gonna just keep it like this for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you curl your lashes, make sure that you don't pinch your skin along with the lashes. So now what I'm going to do is take my mascara and apply a thin layer of mascara, coat the lashes nicely. I'm just going to wiggle it and curl it. Wiggle and curl. What this wiggling motion does, wiggling is this, guys. What this does is it will separate the lashes and gives you that effect of false lashes. So this is your completely done side and this is your natural side. I hope you guys can see the difference. So this is how my eye looks after everything is done. I hope you can see the difference very clearly because it is very evident. On this side, it is completely wide open and gives you that illusion of bigger eyes and denser lashes, wherein this is very basic. I hope you found this video helpful. If you feel so, do consider subscribing to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit that bell icon which is next to the subscribe button. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below if you have any video requests. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.